Hey Jude, how are you doing today? You've gotten really big since the last time we saw you. Want to say anything to the camera? You're waving? Saying hello to all your fans out there? Yeah. What was that? You love everyone out there and you're blowing them kisses? That sounds nice. Hi. Bless you. Now what? Just stretching out. You're just making faces at the camera, huh? Cover up your face. That's better. Is that a smile? I'm not sure. You're so talkative. All right, Mr. Jude. I think it's time to sign off. Say goodbye. Uh, there we go. That's a wave goodbye. Talk to everybody later.